Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a health issue that affects millions worldwide: diabetes. This chronic disease is more common than ever, but with the right awareness and knowledge, we can understand, prevent, and manage it. Let's start today's video. Diabetes is a condition where the body can't regulate blood sugar levels properly. Our bodies need insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, to help turn glucose from food into energy. But in diabetes, the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which, if left uncontrolled, can cause serious health issues. Diabetes, a chronic condition affecting how the body regulates blood sugar, can stem from various causes and risk factors. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin producing cells in the pancreas. Type 2 diabetes, the more common form, often arises from a combination of insulin resistance, where the body's cells don't respond effectively to insulin, and insulin deficiency, where the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin. Risk factors for diabetes include family history, obesity, physical inactivity, age, race, ethnicity, gestational diabetes, polycystic ovary syndrome, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and certain medications. Diabetes, a chronic condition affecting how the body regulates blood sugar, can manifest in various ways. Common symptoms include increased thirst, frequent urination, excessive hunger, unexplained weight loss, blurred vision, and slow healing source. These symptoms arise due to the body's inability to efficiently use or produce insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. If left untreated or poorly managed, diabetes can lead to a host of serious complications. Heart disease and stroke are major concerns, as high blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of plaque buildup. Kidney disease is another potential complication, as high blood sugar can damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys. Nerve damage, often referred to as neuropathy, can cause numbness, tingling, and pain in the extremities. Eye damage, including cataracts and diabetic retinopathy, can impair vision and potentially lead to blindness. Additionally, diabetes can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections and slowing down the healing process, which can lead to amputations in severe cases. While there's no cure for diabetes, effective management and prevention strategies can significantly improve quality of life and reduce the risk of complications. For individuals with diabetes, a comprehensive management plan typically involves a combination of medication, diet, regular exercise, and regular blood sugar monitoring. Prevention of type 2 diabetes is often achievable through lifestyle modifications. Maintaining a healthy weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can significantly reduce the risk. For those at high risk, medications like metformin may be prescribed to further lower the risk. Regular checkups with healthcare providers are crucial for both prevention and management. These visits allow for monitoring blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and cholesterol, as well as addressing any concerns or adjusting treatment plans as needed. By adopting a proactive approach to diabetes prevention and management, individuals can live healthier, longer lives. In conclusion, diabetes is a complex health condition that requires careful management and, in some cases, prevention. By understanding the causes, symptoms, risks, and management strategies, we can empower ourselves to take control of our health. Remember, early detection and proactive lifestyle changes are key to preventing or managing diabetes effectively. So take charge of your health, make informed choices, and live a healthier, happier life. In addition to the common types of diabetes, gestational diabetes can develop during pregnancy and increase the risk of future diabetes for both mother and child. Effective diabetes management involves maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Hypoglycemia or low blood sugar can occur due to excessive insulin or insufficient food intake. Hypoglycemia or high blood sugar often results from inadequate insulin or excessive carbohydrate consumption. Diabetes can also impact mental health, leading to conditions like anxiety and depression, while mental health conditions can, in turn, affect diabetes management. Technological advancements have revolutionized diabetes management. Continuous glucose monitors (CGMs) provide real-time blood sugar readings, while insulin pumps deliver insulin automatically. A balanced diet, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, is crucial for diabetes management. The glycemic index, which measures how quickly foods raise blood sugar levels, can guide food choices. Regular physical activity such as walking, swimming, or cycling offers numerous benefits for people with diabetes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more medical treatments. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating content you love. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest uploads. See you in the next one.